Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to draw 3D surface plot in Excel 2016. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to draw the 3D surface plot. At first, select some data, click and drag on our mouse. Now I am go to the insert menu, select the recommended chart option, then go to the all chart. Now I am select the surface and choose the 3D surface. We can see here the wireframe 3D surface or the contour or wireframe contour. Now I am select only the 3D surface, then click OK. Now we can see here, open the chart. You want to change anything, click. At first we change the title. Now I am select the title and write another title. Then select the chart and go to the design menu, change the color of the background of the chart. You can change the style, select the chart and select the color option, then select the color. Now I am select the plot. You can select only the plot of chart, double click on this. Now we can see we draw 3D surface plot in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.